There you go, that's a blender condensed milk chocolate cake. Look at that, that is a bit special. You naughty boy. Oh yeah. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. You know, you can throw everything in a blender, press one button, and you can make a proper chocolate cake. Oh yes you can. I want to do it right now. Come on. In here I have flour, baking soda, baking powder. Now this is a really ridiculously easy recipe. You can make it with the grands. It gets them in the kitchen. They make a cake, they enjoy it. Come on. In here, instant coffee. In here, cocoa powder, salt. And we're going to give that a mix. Now you can chuck it all straight in the blender, but if we do it now, we ain't going to get no clumps of different bits of flour or cocoa. It's all going to be blended, yeah? Job done. So make sure you've got your oven on at 190. And the decision's tough today. You've got to decide, because we're making a rebel cake. Do we make a rebel square cake or do we make it round? Blender, jug. And this blender, you'll see it in a minute. It says high performance commercial blender. It's a really cheap blender. It's not one of those Visitech high-tech blender things. It's actually very cheap with just a load of nonsense printed on the front. Anyway, that's what we're using. I have some milk, veg oil, a little squirt of vanilla, eggs. They always say put eggs in one at a time. You saw, they went in one at a time. Sweetened condensed milk in there. In there, our flour cocoa mix. Oh heck. So there you go, all layered up in there. Help it on its way, we've got to get that in there. Just give it a little one of those. Okay, just distribute some of that fluid through there. So it's on your blender. That is going to do it. We're not going to mess around any more than that. We're making a cake. Get that a sturdy in there. Make sure it's fully incorporated. As you know what it's like, powder sometimes sticks in lumps somewhere, hidden lumps. Okay, be the rebel. Is it going to be square? Is it going to be round? Hands up. Now, come on, let's stick with a round. We'll have a round cake today. All that straight out of there, in there. Okay, does it need a tippy tappy? I'm not sure, it's been blended, it's fine. Okay, right, let's whack that in the oven. We're going to whack that in the oven 35-40 minutes. We're going to take a skewer, stick it in the middle. If it comes out clean, it's done. Come on. By heck, it's come up there, but we're not worried. It's going to sink down a little bit, and we're going to put chocolate ganache over there. It's still a chocolate cake. Okay, we want some chocolate ganache for our masterpiece. Of course we do, okay? Now, you can do it any which way you want. You can do it in a bowl of water. You know, put a pan with water in, put a bowl over, melt it. Or you can chuck it all in there like I'm going to do. That's chocolate. That's cream. You can use milk. And we want a little bit of butter to give us a little bit of a sheeny shine in there. About a tablespoon, somewhere around about there. So we're just going to melt it. We're just going to stir it all in till it's melted. That's it. Flame off. That's melted enough. We'll let that cool. And we're going to chuck it on our cake. Now, if you're making this to impress, you know, you want to give somebody a slice of cake, slice that there. Perfect slice of cake. This bit, just cover it in ganache and eat it. Now, this cake should be cooled down enough. Let's hope it doesn't break up. You can see it is absolutely perfect. Soft, spongy, it's beautiful. We just got a super rise on there. That could be the oven, could be the baking powder and the baking soda, anything like that. We're not going to stress. It's a fantastic chocolate cake, all made in a blender. Okay, we'll let this ganache cool a little bit and we'll chuck it all over there. Okay, we got this beautiful cake going on here, but you know, we need to be cutting it. Okay, what we're going to do is come through there like that, and obviously if you want your granny to have a fabulous piece of cake, come through there. And let me just show you this. You will see how fantastic, how moist this cake is. Okay, we're not bothered about that just yet. Come through there. Now this is where you make it as posh as you like and make a big recovery for Sunday tea. You open up your cake like that. As you can see, it's still warm, it's steaming, but not to worry. Now what we're going to do is take some of this ganache and we are just going to on there and let it run down the cake and down the sides. And you've got all the professional bakers going, why would you? Because I can. Just slap it on, come on there, and let it run down the sides. Extra chalky, ho ho! On there, just a little bit of flake chocolate, come on. So just leave it all to set up, and then we're going to put some on a plate and the rest on a serving plate. There you go, just leave it to set. It's not going to take too long before that ganache sets off on there. And there you know, what a fabulous blender cake. Come on. Come on, you know it's got to be done. On there. You naughty boy. Oh yeah. Oh, that is ridiculous. Come on. There you go. That's a blender condensed milk chocolate cake. Look at that. That is a bit special. Look how soft that is and moist in there. Oh, how do you eat yours? Not with that piddly fork. Come on. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, come on. That is absolutely wrong. Oh. That is absolutely ridiculously light and fluffy and moist. Oh yeah. Come on, get that made with the grands. In fact, just make it for Sunday dinner, Sunday tea. That is just so light, so fluffy. Oh, come on. That is absolutely incredible. Oh, heck. There you go. Chocolate cake, condensed milk in a blender. No messing around. Put it in the oven. Out it comes. Chuck a bit of ganache on. Oh, serve it up for Sunday tea. Absolutely fabulous. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Share with your grands. Oh, make it with your grands. You know, the kids would absolutely love. No hassle. Get them used to coming into the kitchen. Make a cake they can eat and enjoy. That's what it's all about. Bit of fun in the kitchen. Come on. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Boom. Catch you in the next video. Oh, it's a shocking job. Oh, that is unbelievable. Save the flake for last.